Hi, Clay Selland from Signet Mortgage. Today's going to be a bit of a rant against our own industry, and that's the mortgage industry. When you apply for a mortgage, you're going to supply personal information, including your phone number, and email. And when a credit report's run, we're supposed to, we don't do it, but you're supposed to give them your contact information to the credit bureaus. Okay, they use it as part of their verification, whatever else. Doing so without doing something first, opting out of this, you'll get blasted with text messages, phone messages, emails, because the credit bureaus have the right to sell your data as a pre-screened list, which means you applied for a mortgage, okay, then they sell your data and you get calls. I've had this happen to me accidentally the last few days, in that somebody put my phone number in. I'm sure accidentally, nobody would do that. Terrible thing to do on purpose. But I'm keeping a list. I'm up to 25 phone calls, 11 text messages, and they don't have my email because, again, I believe it was a mistake. And this is Rocket Mortgage, it's Mutual of Omaha, partners that I do business with, so they're participating in, well, the slimiest part of our business. And the worst thing about it, oh, there's one more. A bank has called me a bunch of times out of Kansas City, which, okay, we're in California. The smarmy thing about it is, even if you don't put in the correct information, they have a way doing reverse directory or whatever else to figure it out. And so who knows? It's, again, I call it smarmy, not cool. So there is a way to opt out. It'll be important to do so a few days ahead of when you're anticipated to run your credit report. I'll put it on the screen. There's an 800 number, or 888 number, and a website. We'll put that in the screen, write it down. Do that before you're scheduled to run a credit report. I don't care who you do business, well, I do care who you do business with, but even if you don't do business with me, I'd like you to do this, because nobody likes unsolicited offers. And the fact that credit bureaus are benefiting from selling your data just, quite frankly, makes me mad. I'll keep it that way. Anyhow, Clay Selland, Signet Mortgage, anything to do with residential financing, that's what I do. And happy to help in any way I can. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.